Welcome back to Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more to share our video anywhere you see it, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, just press on the subscribe button, which is the red letter there. And also, if you have any comments, you can leave a comment below. You want to comment, you want to request, or you reach us with this line 2348034495990. With this line, you can call us, you can WhatsApp us, and also Telegram is allowed. Via Telegram is allowed. You can do the three, either of the three. In this platform, we have over 300 videos. It means you can come here and learn any topic of your choice. Now, a question was asked all the way from somewhere, I don't know, from a student, which this is a question that he demanded for help. Now, I want to solve this so that everybody can see it and see how it's being done. It's a very simple part, which is, we call it projectile. Normally have write my own. It's good to write your own like this. If you are watching it, just write a question, take time to write it. Let me read it out for you. A stone is projected upward at an angle of 30 degrees to the horizontal from top of a tower of its height 100 meters, and it hits the ground at a point Q, which is the ground. I think that thing was like this is as projected. Now, if the initial velocity of the projection is 100 meters per second, calculate firstly maximum height of the stone above the ground. 2, time it takes to reach the highest point, which is height. The third one, time of flying. And the last one, horizontal distance from the foot of the tower to the point Q. Neglect air resistance and take G to be 10 meters per second square. That is the question. Now, before I start, let me really use this opportunity to interact with this question here. Now, the first thing we need to do is that I'm trying to solve. Now, I will look for the height of the tower, which is the 100 meter. It's stated already, 100 meter. From the top of the tower of height 100 meter, which is given. That is how to solve problem like this. You have to calm down, and also, now, that person is here. That person is here. Let me just assume it went like this, and also you draw that is just it. Now that is just it. Now at this point, I must to know that this one will give us an angle of 30 degrees. Yes, angle of what? 30 degrees. Now we are talking about velocity. My velocity, which I've explained that in our previous video, which is my u, let me just put 100 meters per second. 100 meters per second. Now let me call this place as A, and it ended at Q. It ended at Q. Now, what can I do? I will move on by having, don't forget that it's part of those things I'm looking for. This is 100 meters. And this, I don't know it. From here to here is 100 meters. From here to that is 100 meters. Now, let me call this A, B. And let me call this one C. What again I'm also to interact with, let me call this place D, and let me call this place as E. I think with this, I've gotten one question. I mean, part of my I've gotten some numbers of my mark. Now, I will now continue. The first thing I want to find is the maximum height of stone above the ground. It means I'm looking for from here to here. It means what I mean there, number one. It means, let me just put it as my x equals to my height, which is called this place h, plus 100. That is what I'm trying to do there. Now, what am I going to do there? How will I get that? It means, don't forget that my u equals to, my u is equals to, which is my velocity, 100 meter per second, and my theta is 30 degrees. Okay, since I know that, I can now continue by, what is the formula for height? Maximum height, it will be equals to u squared sine squared theta divided by 2g. Don't forget my g is 10 meter per second squared, which is, we all know that. Now, since I have that, it means I'll be having, which implies 100 squared multiplied by sine 30. Sine 30. What is my sine 30? We have sine 30 anyway. Divided by 20, which is 10 times 20. Let me just, for those that are still learning, for those. Now, since I have that one, I can now continue by having what next if I should do. Now, this will give me my age will be equals to 100,000. I mean 10,000. Yes, 100 times 100 is 10,000. Yes, 10,000 multiplied by, what is my sine 30, which is going to be multiplied by 0.5 square divided by 20. Okay, which is 0.5 squared, and with the help of my calculator, I'll be having it will be equals to 500 multiplied by, now 500 multiplied by 0.25, which it will be equals to 125 with the help of my calculator, 125 meter. Now it means my height, what I'm looking for, which is my height is now equals to, permit me to write here, my height, it will be equals to h plus 100. My h is given as 125 plus 100, which I'll be having 225 meter. That is the height. It means from here to here is what? 225 meter. That is that. Now, that one is settled. The second one, permit me to rub this side, which I'm looking for. Now, time it takes to reach the height, time to take, it means time that the object takes to reach this place, the time that it takes to reach here. That is what I'm looking for now. And which it will be given at, okay, number 2. Time taken to reach I, yes, I, which is to be equals to small t equals to u sine theta divided by g, which it will be equals to 100 multiplied by sine t 30 divided by 10. Yes, divided by 10, which I will be having this sine 30 is 0.5, which is yes, 0.5, 110, 0.5, which is, I'll be talking about this will be 5 seconds. That is the time to take to reach the what? The highest point. Now the next one, which is time of flying. which is number 3 times of 5. Now, which is capital letter T equals to, it will be equals to 2u sine theta. Yes, it will be sine theta. 2u sine theta. Yes, divided by g. Yes, that is going to be divided by g, which it implies 2 multiplied by 100 multiplied by sine 30 divided by divided by 10 rather. This will cancel this. Now, which I will be having 20 sine 30, which it will be 10 seconds. 10 seconds. It means from here to here is 5, also 5. From here to here now is what? 10 seconds. That's what time to reach, which is 10 seconds. Now, that is very important. Now, the last one, which is the last question, the horizontal distance from the foot of the tour to the point Q. It means I'm looking at this place, I'm looking at the whole system. Now, how will I go for this one? Don't forget that the first thing I will need to do is that, okay, number 4, the total time the projection of projectile travel from A to Q. A to Q must be formed before the what? The horizontal distance, which is EQ. Now, how do I get the time? I need to get the time that takes to. It means I will do it this way. It will be the time we are talking about will be okay. Now, I will first try to generate my height. We have my height at 225 meter. We have my u at 0 meter per second. What else can we also depend on? Okay, it means talking about t. I don't know the time. The time is unknown. The time is unknown. Okay, since the time is unknown, I can now say by having my h equals to ut plus 1 all over 2 gt squared. Please take note of that. Now, this is going to be 0. My h is 225 equals to 1 all over 2 multiplied by 10 multiplied by t squared, which I don't know it. This will be 5. Sorry, I have to understand. You have to understand that that is 5. Now, it means my t squared equals to 225 divided by 5, which it will be 45. Now, my t equals to root of 45, which my t equals to, when I press my calculator, what am I going to do? Okay, now, my t, it will be equals to 6.71 seconds. 6.71 seconds. Now, 6.71 seconds is the time, okay, is the time from here to here. It means here is 6.1, okay, it means the time is, okay, now, the time is 6.1 seconds, which I can now say that from here to here, it will be from here. Let me permit to wrap the first part of it, which is I'll be having okay, now it will be equals to 6.1.71 minus 5 which is in seconds, which is, it will be equals to 1.71 seconds. Now it means time here is 1.71 seconds. Now the whole time will surely be equals to, I can accept by having the total time taken will be equals to 5 plus 6.71, which is to be 11.71 seconds. That is the total time that T takes to reach the what. Now I can now continue by having components of initial velocity, which is it will be equals to which is I'll be having my range, which is my range. It will be equals to u of cos theta plus multiplied by the total time taken, which I'll be having my R equals to 100 cos 30 multiplied by total time taken will be 11.71, which I'll be having, permit me to rub this side, which I'll be having my R will be equals to 100 cos that, which I'll be having 100 cos that, which I'll be having 100 multiplied by 0.866 multiplied by 11.71, which my R will be equals to 11014.12 meter. That is the range. That is the range from here to here. It means here is permit me, I want to rub the side, is 11,014.12 meter. That is my range. That is all we need to know about this question, which is very comprehensive. You can see how it is. Now, by so doing that, if you have any problem, you can call for help, for any explanation, you can call for any help. Don't forget, you are on with further Solutions Academy. I encourage us more to share anywhere you see our video, and also subscribe. If you have not subscribed before, press on your subscribe button. Once again, thanks for watching.